Hello friends, welcome to the Android video tutorial. This is Abhishek. This is the 7th video tutorial of Android. Today I'm gonna show you how we can implement the button click event. In the technical world, I can say the listener of a button. Okay, this is the programming-guru.com, from where you can download the different demo application for the learning purpose. Here is the examples of giving an listener to the click event with the toast. Okay, today I'm going to show you that. I hope you have watched my earlier videos. I have explained the different layouts in earlier videos. If you want to see that, you can follow my channel, that is the web boostings. Here are the different categories from where you can learn the different technologies. Okay, now let's create a button. I'm giving an ID, of btn first. After that, I think something is wrong. Button ID is equals to @ID btn first. Text would be click me. Height would be the wrap content. Width will be the fill parent, right? See, we have a click event. Right now, I'm going to the Java file. That means the main activity, which is located in src file, your package name, and this is your main activity.java. Okay, you have to write here. First of all, you have to find a control from the XML file that is built into the R file. That means all your controls are located in the R file. Sorry, this is your R file for your controls. That means whenever you define any kind of control in your XML file, it will be built into the R file. So we have to find that control from this R file by using the control ID, which we have assigned to the button, that is the btn first, right? Let's create a button. If we are finding a button, that's why I'm using a class of button. Hopefully the package is also imported, right? Now create an instance btn first. Okay, I'm casting the object into the button. Find view by ID, this is the method which helps us to find the control. Then after that, android.r dot sorry, it's my mistake. R dot from layout dot R dot android dot R dot I'm gonna find ID, right? Yeah, ID dot btn first. Now I'm creating a new instance for this btn first dot set on click listener, right? Then after that, new on click listener, it will implement your interface method. So whenever you want, if you want to write a click event, whatever your operations is, you have to specify in this method on click method, right? Before that, you have to implement some import some classes. Just import on click listener Android view, right? It will append over here. Your error will goes. Now I'm creating a toast. Okay, toast will help us to display the message on the screen, like make text. Context will be the main activity context, main activity, and this text you have clicked on the button. Duration would be toast dot length long dot show. Don't forget to use this method, otherwise your message will not see. Okay, now let's check it in the emulator. Run as Android application. Clear. The app is installing into the simulator. The application is started. See, now I'm clicking on button. I'll got a message. You have clicked on the button, right? I hope you guys have enjoyed this video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.